TEXTJOIN function combines the text string from multiple cell references or ranges. This function has three arguments. In delimiter argument, enter a symbol or character you want to specify between each text value that will be combined. In ignore empty argument, type true for ignore empty cells or type false for include empty cells. In a text1 argument, select the multiple cell references. In a text1 argument, select the multiple cell references text strings or range. You can select 1 to 252 text arguments. In delimiter box, enter quote mark, press space key, again enter quote mark, press tab key. In ignore empty box, type false to include empty cells. Press tab key. In text1 box, select this cell reference range. You can see here there is an extra space between R and U because I have included empty cells. Type true in ignore empty box. Now you can see there is no extra space between two words. If you do not press space key between quoted marks, there is no space between text string. If you enter comma, you can see comma between text string. Press backspace key, press backspace key, press space key. Click OK. Function returns result with joining the text from the multiple cell references. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click TEXTJOIN function. In delimiter box, enter quote mark, press space key, again enter quote mark, press tab key. In ignore empty box, type true. Press tab key. In text1 box, select the cell references range. Click OK. Function returns the result with joining the text from the multiple cell references. In this way, you can join the text string by using TEXTJOIN function in an Excel worksheet.